Dysart Harbour lies just to the east of Kirkcaldy in Fife, Scotland. The harbour itself forms part of the famous Fife Coastal Path. Standing on the harbour wall facing south gives great views of the Firth of Forth and Edinburgh beyond. The harbour dates back to the 14th century, supplying the Netherlands, Belgium and the Baltic states with coal and salt. It was also a thriving fishing port at one time. The harbour was closely linked to the Lady Blanche Colliery, but the pit was closed in 1929 and harbour activities declined rapidly after that. Records show that the early harbour was not much more than a jetty in the bay opposite the houses at Havre. The harbour that eventually developed was carved out of a coal seam that was close to the surface. Today it's a home of a wide variety of pleasure craft and a well-known tourist destination. More recently, the harbour was featured in the TV series Outlander, where it was used as a simulation of the French port of Le Havre. The biggest building in the harbour is the Harbourmaster's house. This was originally known as Shore House and was used to store cargo from incoming ships. Today it's the home and headquarters of the Fife Countryside and Coast Trust and also has a bistro, shop and it provides internet access. In 1969 the National Trust for Scotland took over the restoration of the houses at Havre. These charming whitewashed seafarers' cottages are now much sought after. Lying just behind the harbour and houses at Havre are the ruins of St Serve's Church, with its large square tower dominating the skyline.